Today, we're unlocking the secret to achieving stunning bokeh. That beautiful blur, right on your Nikon D5600. It's all about controlling your depth of field. Let's dive in. First, let's switch to Aperture Priority Mode. Often marked with an on your mode dial, this mode gives you direct control over the aperture, which is the key ingredient for a blurred background. To get that creamy blur, you want to use the widest aperture your lens allows. Look for the smallest number, like f/18 or f/28. The lower the number, the wider the aperture, and the more blur you'll create. If you have a prime lens, like a 50mm f/18, you're already winning. Their wider maximum apertures are fantastic for bokeh, but even with kit lenses, you can still achieve pleasing blur by getting close to your subject. Now, for shooting technique, get as close as you comfortably can to your subject. This is crucial for isolating them. And here's another secret: ensure there's plenty of distance between your subject and the background. The further away the background, the more pronounced the blur will be, even at the same aperture. Experiment with these settings and techniques, and you'll be creating those artistic, subject-focused shots with beautiful bokeh in no time. Happy shooting!